In today's video, I'm going to teach you change primary address PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new address to your account and set it as the primary one that PayPal uses for things like shipping details and receipts at checkout. Start by heading to your PayPal dashboard in a web browser and signing into the correct account. Using a desktop makes the layout easier to follow, though the process is similar on mobile. Once you're on the main account page, look to the top right corner and find the small gear icon next to the log out option. That gear opens your account settings, which is where PayPal keeps your personal info, security preferences, and addresses. Inside settings, scroll to the section labeled addresses. You'll see any addresses already linked to your account. To set a new primary address, you first need to add it, so click the add button in the addresses area. This opens a form where you'll enter your new address details. Take a moment to fill out each field carefully. Street address, apartment or unit if you have one, city, state or province, postal or zip code, and country. Accuracy really matters here, because merchants and shipping carriers rely on this information exactly as it appears. It's a good idea to match your address format to the way it appears on your utility bills or card statements, including abbreviations and spacing. Before you continue, double-check spelling, house numbers, and the postal code. Then click Save. After saving, you'll be brought back to your list of addresses, and you should see the new one added. Now you can choose which address you want as your primary. Look for the option next to your newly saved address that says something like Set as Primary or Make Primary. Click that, and PayPal will switch your primary address to the one you just added. You may see a brief confirmation message, and the word primary should appear beside the selected address in the list. To be sure everything is set, refresh the page and confirm that the correct address is marked as primary. If you use PayPal for shipping or payments that autofill your address, this selection will be the default going forward. If you ever move again, repeat the same flow. Add the new address, save it, and then mark it as primary. Keeping this up to date helps prevent delivery issues and checkout errors. That's it. You've added a new address and set it as your primary.